Hey, have you ever worked in a team where there's that one person, the one everyone turns to for advice, direction, or problem solving, even though they don't have a formal leadership title? Now, here's the real question. What does your actual leader feel about that person? Do they admire them or do they feel threatened? In a recent study, my colleague and I co-authored, published in Academy of Management Journal, we unpacked a hidden workplace emotion when leaders feel jealous of their own subordinates and how they quietly reshapes team dynamics. This study asked a deceptively simple question. What happens when the team has a powerful informal leader? And how does the formal leader react? An informal leader has no title, but real influence. People trust them, follow them, and rely on them. But instead of admiration, our study zoomed in on something more uncomfortable: downward jealousy. This is not "I admire you," but "I'm worried that you might replace me." Our research explored these questions. What kind of team members triggers this feeling? What can a leader actually do about it? And when does it become stronger? Here's what we discovered. The more capable the informal leader is, the more threatened the formal leader feels. We're talking about people who solve key problems, take ownership, become the team's center of gravity. But here's the surprising part. When they experience downward jealousy, leaders don't mainly attack the threat. Instead, they shift their behavior towards other members of the team. They adopt what we might call a protect-based strategy, offering more support, more resources, more guidance, less harsh or abusive behavior. In other words, they often become better leaders, but these benefits are not delivered equally. The extra support goes mostly to other high performers. If you are worried about losing influence, you double down on people who matter most. Not all informal leaders generate jealousy. In our 3-month study of 70 teams, we found that highly capable informal leaders led to strong downward jealousy from formal leaders. Those that were merely popular would not seem as threats. So it's not just about likability, it's about competence plus influence. This research was published in the Academy of Management Journal, one of the world's top academic management journals. It succeeds where other studies do not because of 4 key factors. First, it reviews a hidden but universal problem. Most research treats informal leaders as a good thing, but this study shows that they also create psychological tension for formal leaders. This is a blind spot in both research and real organizations. Second, it sharpens our understanding of psychology. This study makes an important distinction between envy, that is, I want what you have, and jealousy, that is, I'm afraid you take what's mine. That difference matters because jealousy involves a third-way relationship between the formal leader and informal leader and the wider team. Third, it was strongly designed. This research was not just a survey study. It combined 3 powerful methods. Real managers interviews with 65 people, capturing authentic emotions like insecurity and fear of losing control. Field study of 70 real teams over 3 months, showing how this plays out in actual workplaces. Experiments involve 519 managers across several countries, proving cause and effect, not just correlations. Fourth, it explains something counterintuitive. Most people assume that jealousy leads to bad behaviors, but this study shows that it can actually lead to more supportive leadership. So, what can we take away from this research? 1. Influence in an organization doesn't come from titles alone. 2. Well, leaders are more emotionally human than we think. And 3. Team dynamics are often shaped by invisible relationships. If you are a leader, your insecurity can either create political complications or better leadership. If you're an employee, being influential comes with ripple effects that you might not even see. So next time you notice someone quietly leading without a title, ask yourself, who are they influencing and who might feel threatened? Because sometimes leadership isn't just about who is in charge. It's about who everyone else chooses to follow and how the person in charge responds to that reality.